Welcome to the channel. This is my 2022 Ford Mustang Mach-e. This is my son Jesse, and Jesse's going to tell you what he's going to do to the car.
Okay, so I'm good. Ready? So I'm going to be installing this passenger compartment pollen filter, inner cabin filter.
So the other term for this fancy name is in-cabin filter or cabin filter.
Yeah.
So what a cabin filter is that it brings air. We bring air from outside.
Yeah.
It goes through the filter here,
yeah.
and it hits the AC. So then when it goes through the AC system, it's going to pick up all the stuff from outside, the pollen, the leaves, the junk, the dirt.
Yeah.
And then filter that out so you get fresh air or clean air out your vents.
Yeah.
This car has about 9,600 miles, 9,800 miles. I forgot what it is. A little under 10. I think they said 20,000, but I think it's a little long. I'm going to change it a little bit less. I picked it up at the dealer because this is a Ford Motorcraft one using my Ford points. Generally, I use Amazon. I'll put a link as far as what I think is a good Amazon product, and I'll see if this is also on Amazon if you don't have Ford points, because usually it's cheaper on Amazon or at least quicker to you. All right, so let's proceed. So first thing we got to do is open the glove compartment. And you can see there's a shock there that holds this when it drops.
Yeah.
Go ahead and pop that out, Jesse.
There.
Okay, and then there's two tabs, one there and one over here.
So you push these
in, yep,
and then carefully
to drop it. Exactly. So you don't have to take out the door.
Now we got it.
And right there is the cabin filter door. You see it? That flat area.
Yeah.
So I think you grab it from the top. Is there anything on the top? Light.
Yeah. I think these are outside tabs as well.
See it?
Yeah.
There you go. How'd you get it?
I just had to push these tabs out.
What tabs?
This tab right here.
Oh, right there? Oh, okay. It's on the outside. Oh, okay.
And I pushed the other tab. And let me move this wire out of the way to get a closer look. And now it's open.
So it's the tabs.
The outer tabs.
So it's the tabs right there and right there.
Yeah, these two tabs.
To do that. Okay, so now you have the filter. Pay attention to this. Airflow points down.
So you have to point it down.
And I'll pull out slowly because we might have gunk coming out.
Pull out slowly.
It's a little big.
Slow.
Let's see.
Look at all that. It's so dirty. Some things that
it's
catch.
dirty. We're not super dirty. We're not bad. That's okay. Let's get another one in there.
So far, this is the out with the old right here.
Out with the old, in with the new.
And in with the new.
Yep.
So this is a new filter. So remember, you have to pay attention to the airflow.
But look at the color difference.
Yeah, as you can see, look at that.
Look at that. So it was dirty. And it's the right same size. Yeah.
Yeah.
But it doesn't have the same grates, but okay. Whatever. So cool.
So
look at the color difference.
I can see.
Because it's white.
Yeah.
And look at that. That's not white.
Look at all that.
Unless this is like a charcoal filter.
Unless this is like a charcoal.
No.
No.
Let's see. That's cool. All right. That's a big difference.
So on the sides, on the right, it shows airflow down.
Yep.
So same.
Yeah.
So it says airflow down.
Yep.
And that carefully.
You just gotta push it back. It won't hurt.
It won't hurt.
There you go. Just keep squeezing it in there. Yep. Straight.
Yeah, make
Push
sure.
it back. Yep.
Push it even.
That's it. Yep. That's good. And then when you close it, it'll be fine.
It will
So
lock.
you pop it with the sides.
I'm gonna get this wire lit out of the way.
Yeah, so there's a wire. Okay.
I know I get the right. I think the wire is blocking a little. I think because of this little notch thing.
Okay, just be careful.
Oh, just be careful. Do it gently.
There you go. I hear a click, right?
I heard a click. The left one's in. Now I'm gonna get the right side in.
I think it's your tab you gotta push, right? The issue is that this wire, or this harness wire, was blocking it, so make sure that's out your way. So go ahead and pop it closed now.
Carefully.
You can put the shock on if you want.
And I'm gonna put
this already there.
Yeah. There we go.
Push it through. Yep. Pop it in. Yep.
There we go. Now it's
And that's it, right?
That's it. Yeah.
So further inspection, when you look at the crevasses, now you can see all the gunk in there that it picked up. You see it? You see all that gunk? Gunk. And you can even test it. Got some leaves and junk in there, so it could have probably went further, but I decided to change it. That's okay. All right, so we'll put the link for how to get this. What else you guys say?
Okay, so and thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to like our videos and make sure to tap the bell icon for all notifications for future videos, and peace out.
Peace out.